Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool rotary tool. This is a 113-piece rotary tool, and I'm loving the fact that it is completely cordless. They do send you a cord to charge this up because it has a 2000 milliamp hour battery. So much like a Dremel, it oscillates the end on here. I've kind of got one end in here, but to actually remove this end, you just simply have to push on the button, twist it until it locks into place, and then you can unscrew that and slide out different ends. So it's very easy to do. They do provide you with all these other cool pieces, and I'm going to go through those as well. But I wanted to show you on the top here how simple this is. You turn this on, and you've actually got 5 separate speeds. Let me take it down to the first speed here. You got 5 speeds. It actually shows you a battery indicator, and this is running at 5,000 RPMs. You can bump it up. It'll run 8,000. 11,000, 14,000, or 18,000 RPM. So this thing really gets the end moving on that, which is fantastic. And of course you can power it off as well. Works for around 120 minutes with no load time, and it only weighs about 0.14 kilograms. So it's not going to weigh a lot. I wanted to kind of demonstrate real quick kind of how this one little end, you can use this for grinding, polishing, engraving. You do everything you want to do with this. I'll go ahead and turn this up to 18,000 RPM and just to kind of show you if you're going to come in here and do some detail work. You can easily go, outline stuff, surround it like that. I mean, it works really well, and that's just one end. Now, these other ends, you actually have a lot of other options on here. You've got sanding ends with varying grits on those. You've got a lot of grinding tools, and I like the fact that they put all these in these little mobile containers so that as you're out there looking through things, you can flip it around, add different ends, pick through, and then it's real easy to just take this other end, lock it back in place, and keep everything nice and bundled together. So this is a really great kit. I know a lot of people probably going to be using a lot of these ends, the drill type ends, if you're going to be cutting through ABS plastic and things like that, or working on cars. It's a great tool for that. So really fantastic idea. Loving the fact that it's wireless, tetherless, allows you to kind of get deep in and not have to worry about being tied down.